Today we're looking at Hourglass by Catfish and the Bottlemen. The guitar is going to be tuned to a D chord with the low E string dropped down a whole step to a D. The A string stays as an A, the D string stays as it is, the G string goes down a half step to an F sharp, the B string down a whole step to an A, and the high E string down a whole step to a D. And we're also going to have the capo on the 4th fret. For the main riff, we're going to be aiming for the E and the A strings, the top 2 strings, all the time. I'm going to be referring to the frets as relative to the capo. So for this one here, although it's the 13th fret on the guitar, it's actually the 9th fret up on the capo, so I'll be referring to it as the 9th fret. We're going to start here on the 9th fret with the 3rd finger on the A string, playing the low E string at the same time. We'll play it twice, down, up, then up, down, before going down to the 7th fret with the 1st finger, up, down, and then hitting the low E string on its own. Then we'll hit the A and the E string together. 2nd fret on the A string, up, down, sliding up to the 5th fret. So the whole thing slowly so far is the 9th fret, down, up, down, up, down on the 7, hitting the low E string open, the 2 notes together, 2nd fret, up, down, sliding up to the 5th, and then we'll play up, down, and then we're going back to the 9th fret on the up strum there. Then we're going to play up, down, up on the 9th fret, hitting the low E string on its own, down to 7, up, down, open, open again, 2nd fret, down, up, and again slide into that 5th fret. The second time through actually starts from the slide up from the 5 to the 9, up, down, up, open, 7, open, 2nd, slide to 5th. And then we have 5, 5, 9 with that slide again before we repeat that phrase. Then there's a little motif that repeats a few times, sliding up from the 5 to the 9 to start again. Then we'll strum up, down, up, open E to the 7th fret with the low E string, open E, and then we'll be repeating that little phrase. So the slide up to 9, and then the last time we'll hit the open E string, the open E and A string, open E string again, 2nd fret on the low E string, open E on its own, 5 and 0. The whole sliding part sounds like this. So the whole riff from the intro. For the chorus, we've got this beautiful chord. 2nd finger, 2nd fret the low E string. 1st finger, 1st fret the G string. We're going to strum down, down, up, down, up. And on that last up strum, we're going to slide up 2 frets to 4 and 3. We're going to strum down, up, down. The second time through the chorus is a different ending chord. We start off with the same chord here of 2 and a 1 on the E and G strings, and we're strumming down, down, up, down, and then on the up strum, instead of sliding to 3 and 4, we're actually going to go to 5 and 5 on the E and G strings. I'm playing it here with the 2nd and 3rd fingers, and we're just going to hit it once before moving down to 4 and 3, that chord we played for the first time through the chorus, hitting that on the up strum, down to our first chord, up strum, back up to 3 and 4, and then up strum on the open strings. Okay, so slowly, second time through, down, down, up, down, 5 and 5, 3 and 4, 2 and 1, 3 and 4, open. Then we'll finish off down, 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 up, down, with the open strings there. Down, up, down, 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 up, down. time. For the bridge section, we've got some new chords. We're going to start with this chord here. We have second finger, second fret on the A string, and third finger on the second fret of the B string. I'm going to strum down, down, up, down, up. And then we're going to continue in the second bar, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so before we move back to that 5 and 5 chord with the second and third fingers on the E and G strings, and the strumming is down, down, up, down, up. Before we go to the open strings, down, down, up, down. That's the whole bridge repeated. We're then going to go through a little link section which takes us out of the bridge, and we start off with this chord shape here. Second finger 7th fret of the low E string, second finger 7th fret of the D, and the pinky finger 7th fret of the G string. I'm going to strum down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down to our 5 and 5 chord, down, down, up, down, up, and down to 3 and 4, down, down, up, down, up, to the open strings, down, down. More up to speed. For the mid 8 we have the same chords, 7, 7 and 7, 5 and 5. We're going to skip the 4 and 3 chord and go straight to the open chords, so the open strings, sorry, this time. So for the strumming it is slightly different. It's down, 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 down. 16th note strums there. To the 5 and 5 chord, down, 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 up, and then to the open strings, down, 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 down. 16th note strum